I'm living in Khartoum, not far from the Khartoum International Airport. What I can hear and see from the place where am I, we can hear intensive gunfire and bomb sounds and air strikes from the airplanes of the National Army, and we can hear the airplanes actually flying over the sky and bombing everywhere. We told that they are targeting the RSF offices that is around here in Khartoum, as well as they are trying to push out the Rapid Support Force militia from around the army headquarters, which is not far from here. We can also hear and see that the Rapid Support Forces countering this attack by using artillery shells from their military vehicles that is also around, and they are trying to defend themselves. This day is the aggressive day, as we are entering the 5th day of this war. Today is the most heaviest day with using of airstrikes and intensive artillery shells, and we can see that some bombs fallen on the houses of the civilians, and the people are scary and staying home.